Did you know the materials behind your clothes account for 80% of fashion's total environmental footprint? And the Bezos Earth Fund just committed $34 million to change what those materials actually are. 4 grants announced April 24th. Columbia University and FIT share $11.5 million to grow textile fiber from bacteria fed on agricultural waste. Biodegradable, no microplastics. UC Berkeley gets $10 million for a high-performance fiber modeled on spider silk. MIT receives $11 million to engineer cotton that grows already colored, eliminating the dyeing process entirely. The Cotton Foundation gets $1.5 million to restore the world's most diverse non-GMO cotton seed bank. Lauren Sanchez Bezos said it directly. These teams are growing fiber from bacteria, engineering cotton that comes out of the ground in color, and creating silk-like fibers from compost. What if a brand activation at Milan Design Week stayed in the city permanently, not as a pop-up, but as a working research facility? Nike and Drop City opened Air Lab in 5 disused railway tunnels behind Milano Centrale Station, running April 20th to 26. 8 tool stations where visitors interact with robotic arms, thermoforming machines, and pneumatic systems, experiencing air as an active design material. Nearly 100 never-before-seen prototypes from Nike's archive on display: Air Liquid Max, Flyweb, Radical Airflow, ThermaFit Air Milano, Frank Rudy's early experiments, Faith Kipyegon's breaking 4-speed suit. After Design Week, all equipment stays at Drop City permanently, accessible to students and professionals at subsidized rates through a 20-year agreement with the City of Milan. Nike's chief design officer said it directly. This is not a circus that comes to town and leaves. Sign up for the 360 Fashion Network newsletter. Link in bio. What happens when a functional breathing device designed for performance ends up on a New York Fashion Week runway, and nobody treats it as a novelty? Jane Wade's Fall 2026 collection, Summit, brought intake breathing directly onto the NYFW runway, integrated as a functional wearable within the collection's aesthetic of elevation and endurance. The collection reimagined corporate codes through expedition-style layering, tailored pieces with harnesses, structured vests, technical detailing, and modular attachments that reframed professional dressing as preparedness. Intake breathing, a wearable airflow device designed to improve nasal breathing and airflow support, appeared not as a product placement, but as a component of the garment system. The inclusion signals something specific: that performance tools once limited to sport or clinical use are entering mainstream style conversations, not by hiding their function, but by making function the design argument. Jane Wade's Spring 2026 collection had already made history as the first to feature a consumer bio-wearable on the NYFW runway, with continuous glucose monitoring technology from Lingo and Nothing integrated into the silhouettes alongside Sorel footwear. Summit continues that trajectory. Fashion rental didn't grow because people stopped wanting to own things. It grew because ownership stopped making economic sense, and 2025 proved it. Nuuly, Rent the Runway, By Rotation, Her, Pickle, Vivrel. The category is no longer a niche, it's infrastructure. Nuuly, Bento, and Pickle are solving everyday access and sustainability. Curated subscription boxes, peer-to-peer lending from your community's closets, and platforms designed to eliminate fast fashion waste and laundry overhead simultaneously. Vivrel, Rent the Runway, and By Rotation are solving luxury access and community, members-only designer handbag clubs, the world's first limitless closet, and the world's largest shared wardrobe where you can rent, lend, and resell. Isle of Monday is the first rental platform dedicated to women's luxury vintage. The Volta integrates directly with brands and retailers to make sustainable luxury rental operational at scale. Her is the community-driven marketplace building the most circular home for fashion. My Wardrobe HQ combines resale and rental for contemporary and luxury women's wear, and Airrobe is the technology layer that connects brands and customers to the circular economy in one click, already integrated with over 150 global brands. Fashion rental didn't grow. What if your jacket automatically adjusted its warmth and breathability? Reading your body and your environment, no input required. HKRITA just won the Edison Award Gold for iAdapt. intelligent, soft robotic clothing developed with the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. The garment contains embedded soft robotic skeletons that run a programmable inflation-deflation process, automatically tuning heat and moisture transport based on the wearer's thermal environment and activity level, no manual input. The garment reads the conditions and responds. Consistent breathability regardless of external temperature. Built for everyday consumers, medical personnel, outdoor workers, firefighters, and winter sport athletes. iAdapt won gold in the Smart and Adaptive Textiles subcategory at the 2026 Edison Awards in Fort Myers, one of the most recognized global innovation honors.
Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.